Hey guys, I'm Ethan, and today I just got my brand new air intake from Carmena Performance. This is from Injen Technology. I've never handled one of these before, so I'm super excited to put it in. And this is it. Straight from Injen. I got in yesterday. I'm super excited.
Open it.
Oh yeah, how do I, okay. Which side does it come out of? Here? Oh, there's another one. Oops. Oh, here we go. Steps how to put it in. All the parts you'll need. And then this is it. Holy. Oh my. Where'd my keys go? Holy. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to put this in. Oh, and it comes with a heat shield. Oh my. Thank you so much, Carmena Performance. This is amazing.